Hello, my name is Diya Patel. I'm 17 years old, and this is my presentation of Dr. Maitri Patel's recipe for sprouted mung bean salad. This recipe is completely raw and vegan, and also works for a keto diet. These are our ingredients: sprouted mung bean, tomato, onion, lime, black salt, and cumin powder. Next, I'll be sharing the health benefits of these ingredients. Sprouted mung beans are rich in essential amino acids, as they're one of the best plant sources of protein. They're also rich in antioxidants, which reduce your risk of chronic disease and cancer. They also lower LDL cholesterol, and therefore lower your risk of heart disease. Furthermore, sprouted mung beans are rich in potassium, magnesium, and fiber, all of which work to lower your blood pressure. Tomatoes are a great source of fiber, as they keep hunger and blood sugar in check. They're also rich in carotenoids, which serve to provide the body vitamin A. They also contain something called naringenin, which decreases inflammation and prevents disease. They also contain chlorogenic acid, which work to lower your blood pressure. Onions are rich in vitamin B, C, and potassium, which helps to aid cellular function. They're also rich in antioxidants, which help to improve the health of the heart. They also contain cancer-preventing properties. Onions also contain a compound called quercetin, which lowers your blood sugar and prevents and can even reverse diabetes. They also reduce oxidative stress, and they work to anti-age and promote bone density. Limes are rich in antioxidants, as they prevent chronic conditions. They're also high in vitamin C and boost your immunity. Limes also promote collagen production, which means that they are good for your skin, and they reduce the risk of kidney stones. Lime also works against certain cancers. So, black salt is a type of salt native to the Himalayan regions, such as India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and other countries. It was first used thousands of years ago in the ancient Indian medicine called Ayurveda. Black salt has volcanic origins and gets its color and taste from sulfur, iron, and potassium chloride. Black salt has lower sodium compared to other salts, which means it's better for blood pressure. It also stimulates bile production and helps to control heartburn, bloating, and digestion. Furthermore, black salt is also a good source of potassium, as it helps to ease muscle cramps. Finally, cumin. Cumin contains anti-cancer properties, and it helps to treat diarrhea and irritable bowel syndrome. Cumin also helps to control diabetes. It's a natural preservative, as it is antibacterial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory. Cumin also contains hypolipidemic properties, meaning that it lowers cholesterol and aids in weight loss. And cumin can also stimulate the nervous system, which means that it boosts memory and helps with neurological conditions such as Parkinson's disease. So this is the recipe. Mix half a cup of fresh sprouted mung beans, 1 raw tomato chopped into cubes, 1 raw onion chopped into cubes, the juice of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of black salt, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. This is what your salad should look like when you're done. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and we hope you like this recipe.